Hello everybody. Testing out these smart glasses. I don't know if the quality is very good. Just got them. Still gonna upload the video anyway. I want to thank that I have a hundred and I think 21 subscribers at this moment. I think this is what you guys are very more interested in. Just more walks with the dogs. Let's look at it. New York and the more quiet side. We might get to the more, you know, shopping area in a minute. Right now, I just want to take the dogs in a more quiet side because it just helps me out a little bit better to talk to you and deal with the not, stressful part of living in New York. Because I know the excitement is living in the big city. And I like walking when there's not too many dogs. Because past few years, you actually see that everybody has a dog. That's not a bad thing, but you actually notice sometimes you gotta walk around because you never know what dog bites, what doesn't bites. So, yeah. I want to see if we got good stabilization. And I'll just switch what I was just saying. This camera, I feel like it's easier because it's not that noticeable. Like I thought about getting a GoPro, even though I do have one. It's very noticeable. You gotta get a good mount for it. I don't know if I should get one for the hat or like a crazy chest mount one. I hope you guys comment that if you guys really want to see like videos like this. I will go out of my way and actually go into the city and make more of these videos like this. So we're actually going to turn this way. And they got more signs than anything around here, though. It's one thing. I love the smell of delis. Yeah. See, there's a dog up ahead, and you don't know how it's gonna react. She's gonna turn or she's gonna cross. Or I might have to wait. See, there's the hesitation right there. Because my small one just reacts very weird. Because I know she does. And if you guys notice a little bit, some sidewalks are longer, and like the one that's coming up is a little bit more narrow. I don't know if I said the word right, but sorry about that. And see, there's another one coming up ahead. Yeah, that's the only difference. Dogs looks very different. Kind of looks like a King Corso, but uh, you did good. You did good. That's why it's better to be away from the areas that very like too much dogs, especially parks. Even though I go to them, it's not as much. We are at Quincy and can't see the other street. Now we're gonna turn right here. There we go.
By the way, people, these are the glasses that I used in the video. I know this is gonna come out a little bit later. It's not an unboxing or review. It's just what they are. I think the audio is a little different compared to what you guys saw. And these are right here. See if I can flip them up. That's the charging area. I don't think they're very good quality, but they're okay for the most part. It's the box. In case you guys want to check them out. They were really good price compared to the high quality ones. So I want to look. They got shooting in anti-shake, Wi-Fi. So I want to thank you guys for checking that out. If you made it to the end of the video, like, subscribe, and yeah, thanks.